Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. This tutorial will show you to get out of maintenance mode. Now this is a S24 Ultra and it's in maintenance mode. You know because in the bottom left it says maintenance mode. Wherever you go it says maintenance mode. Alright. So this is not a normal mode. This is intended for repairs or when you're handing over your device to be repaired. Maintenance mode. If you're in this mode, it's not a normal mode and it's not meant for everyday operation. So let me show you how to get out. Please note that in order to exit this mode, you'll need to know the device password. If you got in this mode by mistake, somebody probably was playing with your phone, such as your child, and place it in this mode. Do not worry, it's easy. All right, so let's show you exactly how to do that. From your left, you're gonna swipe down from the top, and you're gonna see this menu here. All right, and notice it says here your phone is in maintenance mode, and it's not just a notification. It's telling you in order to exit, just simply tap. Once you tap, you'll show the screen here, and you're gonna hit exit, and it asks you need to restart. So restart, and here we go. It asks to verify your identity. So you'll ask for your password. So go ahead and enter your password. All right, so I've entered my password. So I'm going to continue. There you go. The password is correct. So the phone is going to reboot. And of course, the phone should go back to its normal mode after this is finished. So it's just going to do some reboots and it should carry back to normal mode. Don't worry about this mode. It's quite easy to get rid of. And that is the official way to get out of it. Normally, your phone is in that mode. Either you intentionally place it in that mode or somebody out of error placed it in that mode. If you do not know the password, well, if it's your phone, you should know the password. So whatever password is needed should be the one that's default that's used. So for example, to ask for the password again, I'm entered. All right, so here's my phone back in its normal mode. I know it's normal mode because you can see my apps, you can see my custom background. You can see as well it doesn't say in the left hand corner maintenance mode. So this is normal mode now. All right, if I go to settings again, there's no reference to this mode, which is maintenance mode. So that's how to get out of maintenance mode on the S24 um, Ultra, all right, or similar devices. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.